Hello 12th standard students, welcome back to chapter 1 applications of matrices and determinants. Today we are going to see example 1.10. Here they are given a 2 cross 2 matrix of order 2 and they have asked us to find out x and y and A inverse. So two questions you are going to attend here in the same problem. Okay, so first in this equation you have got a square plus xa plus yi2 equal to 0. This is 0, this is not O, this is 0 matrix of order 2. So first you are going to find out a square. So what is a square? Is a into a. So you are going to multiply this a into the same a, so row into column. So you are going to get it as row into column. 4 into 4 16 plus 6 is going to give you 22 first element, and similarly first row into second column you are going to get it as 4 3s are 12 plus 15, it is going to give you as 27. Now coming to our second row, 2 4s are 8 and 5 2s are 10, so second element is going to be 18, second row first element is going to be 18, and similarly the second row into our second column 2 3s are 6 plus 25 is going to be 31. So this is going to be our a square. Okay, so now you can write the equation. What is our equation? Plus x into a plus y I2 equal to 0 matrix of order 2. What is our a square? 22, 27, 80 and 31 is our a square, plus x into our a is 4, 3, 2 and 5, plus y into our I2 is 1 0 0 1 equal to our 0 matrix is going to be 0 0 0. So we can frame the equations. So here you are going to multiply everything by x and here you are going to multiply everything by y. So the first element, so this plus this plus this. Okay, so the first equation is going to be 22 plus 4x plus y. Okay, and now the second term, this and this, so it's going to be 27 plus 3x plus 0, so you need not write it 0. Now coming to our second row first element, these three are going to combine, 18 plus 2x, again 0, you need not write that. Now coming to this last element. Okay, so 31 plus 5x plus y. So this is going to be our matrix. Okay, so each element is equal to 0, so you can equate each one. You are getting it in the form of an equation. This is one equation with x and y, this is another equation with x and y. Here you got only x, so first we will solve for x. So taking this 27 plus 3x, this is equal to 0. Okay, so second element equal to second element. So this implies 3x equal to minus 27, which implies x is equal to minus 27 by 3, that is equal to minus 9. So our x value is minus 9 is the answer. Now you can substitute this in our first term, 22 plus 4x plus y equal to 0. Put x is equal to minus 9 here. So 22 minus 4 9s are 36 plus y equal to 0. Bring the numbers when you subtract 22 and 36. You get it as 14, isn't it? So minus 14, when it comes to the other side, you will get the value for y as plus 14. Okay, so this implies minus 14 plus y equal to 0. Again y equal to 14 is our answer. So you can rewrite your equation. A square, it is minus, so here this becomes plus, becomes here minus 9, isn't it? So minus 9 into a plus 14 into I2 equal to our O2. Okay, so we have found out x and y. The first part of the question is over. Now we are going to do a inverse. For that you are going to post multiply, because this a square you have to bring it, isn't it? Post multiply by a inverse, you keep it as 1 on both sides of 1. When anything is multiplied by 0, right hand side is again going to become 0. Okay, only in the left hand side. So post multiply means first. Post multiply, pre multiply. You can do it in a post multiply, isn't it? So I will take it the other way. In post multiply means it will come at the back. Okay, pre multiply only will come in the front. A inverse minus 9 A into A inverse plus 14 I2 into A inverse. Here 0, so again 0. Now you break this one. A into A inverse using our associative law. This is going to be 9 I2 and this is going to be identity with anything is going to give you the same A inverse. Again 0. So this is again I, isn't it? So this is going to become as A into I2 minus 9 I2 plus 14 A inverse equal to 0. So this is going to become as A minus 9 I2 plus 14 A inverse equal to 0. Now we want only A inverse, so bring the other terms to the RHS. So 14 A inverse equal to 9 I2 minus A. What is 9 I2 minus A? We'll find it out. 9 into 1001 and our A is going to be 4325. 4325. So this is going to give as usual as you have done the other way, and this 14 is going to come this side. Here it is multiplication. If it comes this side, it will become division. Okay, so 1 by 14 into here you will get it as 9. Again take the first element and first element. 9 minus 4 will give you 5. Here 0 minus 3, similarly here 0 minus 2, and 9 minus 5 is going to give you 4. So this is our A inverse. Okay, so we have find out the A inverse without finding the adjoint. Okay, you can also verify whether your A by taking for A, whether your determinant A is 14 and what your adjoint A is this one. Okay, so this is another method for finding A inverse when an equation is given. Okay, thank you.